Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Thursday, right? Right before market open, pre-market news was announced, and it was interpreted by the market as bad news, and market started selling off way before market open. So at market open, it did try to go even lower. At one point, Nasdaq was close to 2% down, right? Okay. But now it started rebounding. Didn't wanted to do much. I traded the rebound using Dow Jones futures. Make a little bit of money, but my Google trade was stop loss. And it gapped against me, so I took slightly bigger loss than I expected. But it's still considered a small loss because I took a small size to trade on Google initially, right, when I entered the trade. So still okay. Good thing is Apple is very resilient. In my swing trade on Apple, right, is actually still doing well, right? Okay, so let's jump in and I'll show you. Okay, so we are at my screen right now. You can see over here, at my Apple swing trade is still doing well, right? Traded at 167, now it's 169. Hopefully before earnings, after earnings, it can jump even higher, right? But of course, I'm taking calculated risk. In the case that it goes down, I have my stop loss in place. I will still lose not a big amount, right? Hopefully it don't gap down like Google, right? Okay, Google, I was planning to lose less than $100, so I lost more than slightly more than that, right? Okay, it's $150 because it's stop loss, right? Okay, so I traded Dow Jones futures up just when the selling was tapering down, and I decided to try to buy it up, and was doing well, right? So about $60 of profit. Traded too small, right? I only use like 30% of my normal risk, right, per trade, right? So yeah, could have been double, right? Using 60% of my normal risk per trade, right? I would have got like 100 plus, right? Okay, but it's okay, right? Not doing too badly also, especially these 3 to 4 weeks. Market uncertainty is super high, and market has been coming down. My account is still holding well, right? Okay, so over here, just want to show you very quickly Apple, right? Apple going to announce earnings, I think next week, right? Exactly 7 days from now, right? Hopefully it can just go much higher, aiming for around $172 to $176, right? Okay, hopefully even if the bad news come, it doesn't get down like Google, right? Okay, so Google actually gap down, right? Hit my stop loss, then after that now is going back up very strongly also. Who knows, maybe I'll find another opportunity to go long on Google again, right? Okay, we see how it goes. But very quickly, Dow Jones, right? Dow Jones, you can see this movement up, right? I traded it, right? Market open here, and the indices including S&P and Nasdaq was just selling off all the way. So 10 plus, almost 11, traded it up, and was rewarded with a profit, right? So this profit is good in the sense that it at least reduce the loss that I incurred on Google, right? Okay, so today basically $70, right? $70, or let me see, I can't remember how much it is. Yeah, $75, right? $75 loss after taking Google loss and taking Dow Jones profit, right? Okay, the numbers here could be a little bit wrong, right? Okay, it does happen with interactive brokers. This is just indicative, right? But yeah, overall realize loss after combining Google and this Dow Jones futures trade, only $70 plus, right? Considered good, right? If I didn't trade this, it's even worse. yeah, you can see Apple here now in a very good decent profit already. Hopefully it can go much higher, maybe aim for $200 or $300 of profit for this account, right? Yeah, very happy to be sharing with you right now that I do think that the recent if you look at here, right, the recent 2 or 3 days rally on S&P or even Dow Jones or even Nasdaq, right, it has started to come back down, right? Not saying that the correction is over, and not saying that the selling is going to continue. The next few days is very critical to really make a better judgment whether the correction is over or not. So stay tuned. I'll update you in this channel also, this video, in my future videos, whether I feel like hey, the correction is truly over. But definitely I feel today market starting from now, market is going to rebound a little bit, right, for temporarily, at least even until tomorrow, right? Okay, so hopefully tomorrow when market open it will continue, right? We never know, because one day market is up, one day market is down. Recently it has been the case, right? It's not like the last year November rally whereby almost every day is an up day, right? So much easier to see. Right now it's more uncertainty. So maybe a few more days, right, when I can really see what the market is trying to do, I'll update you in my video. So hopefully you benefited from my insights, right, and my sharing as well. Very importantly, Google, even though I lost, right, even though it gapped against me, I took a small loss, right? Okay, and this is the importance of money management, right? If you manage your money well, when things don't go your way, you make sure like you limit your losses, right? So that when the good days come, right, which it will, you can make even more, right? Okay, make sure your trading is safe, right? And that's all for me. Hope that you benefited. Like I say, may the profits be with you. I'll see you in my next video tomorrow. Good night. See you soon.
I hope you loved the video and learned something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.